Hello, you're watching the weekly stocks markets review with me, Anna Kasatkina. Amid positive statistics from the USA and Europe, as well as Angela Merkel's announcement that Germany tends to support the euro, the US stock markets reacted with a rally on Friday. Dow Jones closed on the rise at the level of 13,275.20 points, added 0.2%. The index gained 0.5%, marking the sixth successive week of the growth. 13 out of 30 Dow Jones Industrial Average components were trading in the green zone. Standard & Poor's 500 climbed up 0.2% and closed session at the level of 1,418.16. The index added 0.9% during the week. Both S&P 500 and Dow Jones Industrial Average are going bullish for the sixth successive week, which is the most sustainable growth since January 2011. The technology-heavy Nasdaq Composite Index closed session at the level of 3,076.59 points, edged up 0.5%. It gained 1.8% during the week, having closed the fifth successive week with gains. According to preliminary data, Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index grew up to 73.6 points from July revised reading of 72.3 points, exceeding the economist's forecast, who anticipated 71.8 points. Having expanded by 0.4%, the Conference Board leading economic index also added optimism to the markets. News from Eurozone contributed to market growth as well. Angela Merkel announced that the European leaders were going to do everything possible to save the single currency bloc. Moreover, Eurozone foreign trade surplus in June grew to originally estimated €14.9 billion from May reading of €7.1 billion. The actual reading was above the forecast. However, the indicator was upwardly revised to €7.1 billion from €6.9 billion. The best-performing stocks were J.M. Smucker, Standard & Poor's 500 component, which gained 5.1% by the end of Friday's trading session. The report on sales growth caused quote upturn. Folgers Coffee and Jif Peanut Butter companies also improved profit outlook for 2013. They reported that the earnings will reach the top border of the expected range from $5 to $5.10 per share. Besides, unincorporated securities expanded by 20% after one of the leading retailers for fashionable women's clothing informed about 24% income growth in the second quarter and upwardly revised outlook for sales from $2.38 billion to $2.39 billion. This was the weekly stocks market review prepared for you by our InstaForex team. Goodbye.